everybody, if you're looking for the easiest how-to video on how to adjust these GM style calipers, stay tuned. Hey guys, this is the GM style caliper that we're working with today. Obviously we have a newer model, but it's got the built-in e-brake. This is what we're adjusting today so that it grabs the e-brake after a 1/4 inch of a gap right here that you're gonna see. Step 1, block your tires and jack up the car. Step 2, make sure your rotor is firmly against the hub. Step 3 is going to make sure that your brake pad is firmly against the rotor and your caliper is pushed inboard. You can achieve this either by pushing on it or hitting it with a rubber mallet. Step 4 is to remove the cable and spring if you haven't already, and push this arm all the way forward and push it back. Step 5, we have a gap greater than a 1/4 inch, so remove the nut, remove the arm, and remove the seals. Oops. 6 is, as vertically as possible, install a 9/16 wrench and tighten down the nut. Step 7, use a flathead screwdriver as a wedge and move your 9/16 down. You might have to repeat this a couple times and test fit your arm. It took us a few times to adjust, but now test fitting our arm here, you can see that there's less than a 1/4 inch gap between its engagement. So now step 8 is going to be to put on all of our hardware. So white seal, black seal, arm, and then nut. Get this on there. I can't see what I'm doing from here, so. So now that our arm is installed and tightened down, you can see that there's less than a 1/4 inch gap between the emergency brake engagement, and now it's time to pull our cable and put the spring and cable back into place. Nope. We're all done adjusting our calipers. It took about 15 minutes. All that's left is to bleed the brakes and we're good. We want to say a huge thank you to Right Stuff Detailing for providing these GM calipers. So we're all done for the day. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.